Oops, it slipped my mind. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you've probably heard before, and might have even used yourself, to slip one's mind. Understanding these common expressions can really help you sound more like a native speaker and improve your overall English fluency. So, let's get into it. When we say something slipped my mind, we are essentially saying that we forgot it. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where you had intended to remember or do something, but you ended up forgetting it. It's a more casual and polite way of admitting a lapse in memory without sounding too formal or harsh. To better understand how to use to slip one's mind in everyday English, let's look at a few examples. 1. Apologizing for forgetting something. I'm so sorry I didn't call you back last night. It completely slipped my mind. 2. Explaining a missed deadline. I missed the deadline for the project submission. It just slipped my mind with all the other work I had. 3. Forgetting to bring something. Did you bring the book I lent you? Oh, I forgot. It slipped my mind. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to explain that you forgot something without intending to. Understanding synonyms or similar expressions can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few related phrases that convey a similar meaning. It went over my head. I forgot. It escaped me. While these can be used in similar situations, to slip one's mind often sounds more natural and less direct when acknowledging a forgotten task or item. To incorporate to slip one's mind into your English, try these tips. Practice makes perfect. Use it in your daily conversations when appropriate. Contextual learning. Write sentences or short paragraphs using the phrase to describe situations where you forgot something. Listen for it. Pay attention to movies, TV shows, and native speakers to hear how and when they use the phrase. And that's a wrap on to slip one's mind. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, forgetting things happens to everyone, and now you have a perfect, native-sounding way to express it. Don't let this new knowledge slip your mind. Practice it, and see how it enhances your English fluency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.